Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on this big 50 by 50 centimeters, this is 20 by 20 inch I think, canvas, and I will do a split cup pour with hidden colors, and I want to keep some negative space today. I hope that I will use this 3-chamber cup from Paint Pour store, and I will tell you the colors while I'm pouring them in. I will start with this lemon yellow, and this time I will have to put those colors really away, and I will dirty pour in some Naples yellow dip and some Amsterdam Azo yellow middle. This will be the first chamber. On the second one I have Amsterdam carmine deep and Winsor & Newton permanent magenta, and some vermilion hue by Artist Colors. Okay, and in the last chamber I have Bio Iridescent Precious Gold, and I have Bio Iridescent Gold medium mixed with my pouring medium, just to kind of have some effect, hopefully. And the last one is Amsterdam Bronze. I have a little more of those colors, and I will top this with Payne's Grey by Lucas Krill, and this hopefully will be my negative space color too, so I will layer this on top to cover all the paints. And with this technique, at first you get some wispy kind of look of the lines, and then the color starts flowing, and I will add some of this here in the middle where I will start pouring. And I will thin this down a little bit for the flow extender around, that I will pour around the pattern that I will get with the split cup. I don't know, I hope that I will not ruin this beautiful big canvas. Hopefully not. Okay, so have to remove my colors because I placed my canvas on 2 wooden sticks kind of, and I will start now. And I still get just my background color getting out of the cup. lost all the negative space, except a little one part there on top, but I will call it done. I'm not used to get all those dots of everything, but I don't know. I hope that I would get this bugger out before, but it is what it is. And this will be bronzy, and maybe my color combination was not the best today, I have to admit. But I will leave it and take you down for a close-up. I will just wipe my bottom. That paint will stop flowing. And I love the transparency here. Some of those lines. And I love the middle. And I love how this Payne's gray shows through here, and I got some green from the yellow and Payne's gray. So I think that I like it that way. And here is the magenta and the bronze and gold. I just think that I shouldn't have used those yellows, but now it is what it is. I will leave it to dry, and I can still pour over if I don't like it. But for now, I'm happy. I really love this middle part there. But I don't know where all those dots came through, but it's okay. Still didn't get the negative space as I wanted, but I like the painting, so I will call it success. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!